some blush. We could do this later, but we could do it now. No big deal when we do it. Highlighter. Love this palette. Anastasia Brow Gel. I am gonna put a bunch of it. Definitely takes longer than with the Elios Fast. To clean up on the sides, because you want to make sure that the shadow is not going downwards or too close to your brow or that area. So if I can be bothered, I'll do this. Clean up on the sides. This is the Tata Harper, by the way. It's really good. And it just gives you that sun-kissed look, you know? It's not too obvious. It's just perfect sun-kiss. I have been wearing this. I've been talking about this all the time. It's the Sisley So Intense mascara. It's amazing. So I didn't even curl my lashes this time. I forgot. But even without curling them, you can see that it's just crazy. And it's meant to be really good for your lashes, and I think it might be, you know, because my lashes have been crazy good. And look how much it curls. I mean, I didn't curl my lashes at all. It does take forever to put it on. With other mascaras, it's just so fast. You can do it in the tube. With this one, I did it in the tube once and it was just like, people were worried by the end of it. Because you can see, because you have to brush all the lashes. But maybe that's what makes it so great. I need to clean this disaster. Best way to clean anything is with foundation. If ever you fuck up. Okay, now I'm gonna put some Blur Perfector all over my face with the same brush, because why change when you know what you're doing with one brush. It just mattifies. I still have to dry my fringe. I usually wash my fringe in the morning and then I let it dry while I have coffee or whatever, and then I don't have to dry it twice, you know. I don't have to style it twice. I let it dry and then I use a GHD on it to smash it straight. Okay, I have a Lancome lip liner which is pinkish, and I have the Stila Angelo, which is my favorite matte nude lip. It's awesome. Now a little bit of this goes a really long way. Isn't that pretty? You can finish by really blurring this out. I like to use this brush, which is by Hourglass. So I need to show you how it looks after I've actually looked at myself in the mirror and blended a little bit more. Because the thing is, I'm showing you the technique, but the way that I do it on camera is really difficult to capture because I can't look at myself. So this is basically the look. I've tried my fringe, and hey, I'll keep trying. Maybe next time I'll be able to see what I'm doing. Bye!